Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back to my channel, Professional Civil Engineers. Today we are here on the slab of a typical floor. We will see how many things or what are the important things. The important things that can be checked after steel and shuttering and before casting of concrete. What will be the important points that a site engineer or quality control engineer must check prior casting of concrete? The first and the most important point is to fix the level of the shutter for the slab. Surveyor usually marked levels on the columns, and then from the columns the site engineer or the supervisors, they take the dimension directly from there to fix the height of the slab from the bottom. So all these heights usually as per the drawing are same everywhere. If we want to check at that corner or if we want to check in the middle, so these dimensions must be same unless there is drop in the drawing. If there is any drop in the drawing, so the shutter will be dropped as per the drawing accordingly. So the first point and the most important point is to fix the slab level, slab shutter level. The second thing that is also very important is the safety of the scaffolding. Usually in the projects, the responsibility for the safety of these kind of scaffolding is taken by third party, the supplier. The contractor has to provide a safety certificate from the supplier to the consultant or municipality. So this will be usually supervised or it will be done by third party supplier, but as a quality control engineer or site engineer, we have to take care about this also, and we have to look for any drawbacks or the things which are undone, are not done, not completed, and needs to be professionally done. So we have to take care about this also. So usually third party certificate will give allowance to us to proceed for the work. The third most important point is to get the approval from MEP department. If we don't have MEP approvals for the electrical, mechanical, plumbing works, so we can't proceed for the concrete. So we have to take approvals from the MEP department for all the electrical, mechanical, plumbing works before execution of concrete. This is also very important thing. Ensure that all the MEP works has been completed and you get a written approval or written completion certificate from your MEP department. You can see here still the guys are working to complete the electrical work, so we have to wait for a day or two for them to complete their works. The fourth most important point is to now check the dimensions of the sides, the general layout of the slab. So you will have drawing and you have to check the dimensions, the width, the length. Also if we have OTS like this, so you have to check all these dimensions as per approved drawings. So as you can see in our site, we have a number of OTS. If you can see here, this is an OTS. Similarly, OTS is there. This OTS is meant for the stairs. The stair is coming up here. This OTS is meant for the lift, and you can see also there so many OTS. The openings are here in our slab. So we have to make sure that all the dimensions we checked as per the approved shop drawings. Once we are get satisfied that we have checked the framing layout of all the slab all around and there is no drawback in it. If I can show you here, you can see from this corner till the next corner, it is a straight line. But if we can come here, there is a recess. So this will be according to the drawing, so that some projections may be outside and will be shown later in the elevation. So after checking the framing, once you are get satisfied that the framing is 100% correct, you checked all the dimensions from one corner to the other corner, you are get satisfied that all the projections, cantilevers, you checked the framing for it, the shuttering for it is as per the approved shop drawing. So now you will come to the columns. You can see here the dowels of the columns. These are the columns which will go up, so we have to leave the dowels for it. Okay. Secondly, we have to put some rings at the top, so that this ring must keep all these bars straight. So during concrete casting it will be not affected and it will not divert from one direction to the other, or sometimes it becomes too much difficult during the later stage when it becomes bends.